पणजे बाजार प्रकरणात घोटाळो चल्ला। 22 दुकानांची सील केल्यात म्हण बोवाळ केल्लो तातूंत कांयच सत्य ना। पणजे बाजाराचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक जाय। मार्केटाक माफियांच्या हातांतल्यान मुक्त करपाक जाय म्हण पणजेचे आदले महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो उलयला। RDX गो खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगेज।
When I came to know, when I was a commissioner, I was a mayor, when it was brought to my notice that then Commissioner Mr. Deepak Desai, he was the commissioner when I was the mayor, sworn in an affidavit, the applicant has sealed 22 number shops located in New Municipal Market and the same is in the custody of the Corporation City of Panjim. Then I move a note on 26/9/2017 whereby I have said, as para 6 after April 2017 the Commissioner has disposed 25 cases out of pending 148 cases. What is the meaning of disposed cases? Have these 25 shops have been sealed and taken possession? Further, what action is taken in respect of the remaining 123 cases? In para 7 it is stated that the ex-commissioner sealed 22 number of shops located in the New Municipal Market and the same are in the custody of CCP. In this connection it is stated that there is no record of Panchanama. Please understand, there is no record of Panchanama available in the CCP about sealing of any shops in the municipal market by the ex-commissioner Sri Deepak Desai after he is taking over charge in the CCP. As per the records available in CCP, 37 shops were sealed in the year 2010 as per order dated 2/8/2010 by then Commissioner Sri Elvis Gomez, since they found closed, although allotted out of which 11 shops were unsealed later on as per the inquiry report dated 12/7/2013 of Sri N.D. Agarwal, Collector South Goa. In the circumstances pointed above, the Commissioner Sri Deepak Desai has given a false statement before the High Court in para 7 of his affidavit that he has sealed 22 shops, not Elvis Gomez, applicant. He signed there as applicant, located in the New Municipal Market and the same are in the custody of Property of Panjim. We have given all documents, every document. So we request the media friends of ours, or you are all Panjimites, please help us to solve this problem. And the court, High Court should also take notice of this. No doubt we will file another contempt. It's already in spite of the contempt, and the contempt was against mayor and the commissioner. But I was never taken into confidence in this case. Then Commissioner Deepak Desai, at whose interest in instance he had done, nobody knows. Then Mr. Alvin Disa put in an RTI. He put in an RTI asking around eight numbers questions, whereby in the first page which is there which I have given to you all, number 2, no shops have been sealed by then Commissioner Sri Deepak Desai. This is 5/6/2018. 5/6/2018. That is June. No shops have been sealed by Sri Deepak Desai. We want to tell you all that in CCP, in the legal cell, there is a mafia being run by certain people. Mafia is being run in CCP as far as the Panjim Municipal Market is concerned. We want that the media should highlight this, because very soon Mr. Alvin Disa and the 6 others will again file a contempt requesting the High Court to put Mr. Deepak Desai behind bars. because he is falsely, can you imagine an officer, grade 1 officer is swearing in an affidavit, false affidavit, and then there is this RTI from the CCB saying that they have not sealed. In 2010, Mr. Elvis Gomez, then commissioner, has sealed around 32, out of which 11 were